What is going on, guys? Sir Luis here, the YouTuber to invest to rest. And in today's video, I got amazing and great news here for you guys because I'll be showing you guys how to buy altcoins and crypto on Kucoin using your credit card or bank card, debit card, whichever type of card that you guys have, Visa, MasterCard. I'll be showing you guys here how to use that card to buy on Kucoin, and this way it's probably going to be the simplest and easiest way for people that are just getting into crypto and want to buy low cap altcoins on Kucoin just by using their card, right? You don't have to transfer crypto over. You can still do that, but you can buy now with your cards, and I'll be showing you guys here all the details step by step on how to do it. So let's get started here. If you still don't have Kucoin, you can make an account using my referral code in the description below. But let's enter here onto Kucoin, and this is actually very new. It just came out, as you guys can see right there. Kucoin Fiat account now live, which is awesome. And they added it right here in your face in the homepage. It says right here, buy crypto, Visa and MasterCard are now supported, right? Which is crazy. It's right here in the homepage. So how do you do this? I'm actually going to buy some using one of my cards as a test so I can show you guys here step by step. So let's click on it right here, buy crypto. So right off the bat, it says right here USD. You can change that USD. Obviously, I'm going to use USD. Or you can also change it from USDT, Ethereum, or Bitcoin, okay? But I want to put USDT because I can buy other altcoins using USDT. Now the next step here is pretty simple. You're going to put the amount I want to spend. So let's say the minimum amount is $5. So let's say I want to spend $100. Boom, it's going to calculate the USDT that you would get for that, which is $96. So that means the fee is about $4, which I don't think is that bad. I think it's a decent fee, especially if you want to buy it with your card. Let's test right here, $1,000. If you're going to put $1,000, the fee is going to be obviously more because it's $1,000. So it's going to be around $40 around there. And if I do $15, it's going to be around $13. So I'm just going to do this as a test to show you guys here how to do it step by step. I'm going to do $15, buy USDT. So right here, it tells you $15. It tells you the fee. And right here, you're going to either choose between bank card, Visa, MasterCard, on-site payment, or you can choose right here, balance insufficient. Click on that. And you click deposit, and then you're going to add an existing payment method. So you can add a payment method so it saves it right here on Kucoin. You just click on that, and then you're going to bind your card, and then you put in your card. That's one way of doing it. Or you could just buy it on-site payment. You just click on that, and then you're going to add your card the same way that you would with the other one. I think the other one just really saves it. So let's do it that way. I'm gonna do it here with you guys. So once you get on here, you put in your information from your card. So I'm gonna do mine. Alright guys, one thing about entering the information that I just found out is for the post code. Alright, what I entered that worked is this right here. I just googled it. If you're living in the United States, you just put in 9959, and then it's gonna put the dash right here automatically, and then you just put 4 nines. For some reason it just works that way, so I put it and then it went through. And then after it goes through, let's go here back to the app. It's gonna say buy now. You click buy now, and then after you add the card, it's gonna show it. It's gonna show the information. You click on it again, and then you press confirm. So right here, I just clicked check the details, and as you guys can see right here, I just spent $15, and I'm gonna get $13.87, which is not that bad of a fee. If you want to buy crypto the fastest way with my card on Kucoin, which is KYC free, which is pretty awesome as well. So boom, right here, I'm in my account, and when you add it, guys, it will be in your main. It's not gonna be in the trading. Okay, it's going to be in the main account right here at the assets at the bottom. You click assets, and then you go to main. You're going to scroll down, and boom, it's right there. That's proof that I bought it using my bank card. And yeah, guys, you can do this now. It's very simple. Now, if you want to trade, all you got to do is click right here, transfer at the bottom, and you're going to transfer it all to your trading account. Okay, so I just transferred it to my trading account. Now it's in my trading account right here, USDT, $13.90. Now I can use it to buy crypto, okay? And of course, you can buy any crypto here on Kucoin with USDT. So that's basically how you guys do it. It's very simple. You add your card, Visa, MasterCard, any type of card, bank card, debit card that you guys have, even credit card, and you can buy all coins with very low cap here on Kucoin. This is awesome because a lot of people are going to start buying more coins here just because they made it a lot easier with this method. So that's how you guys do it. I hope to help you guys out. Leave a like, comment below to help the video go up so more people can see it. And thank you guys so much for watching. Join my free Discord, Telegram, free Facebook group. I got everything, guys, so join it in the description below, and you guys can keep up with the crypto community. And yeah, thank you guys so much, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.